Hey y'all, come on in and make some carpet fresh with me. Now, I normally would keep this top secret to myself, but since y'all cool and all, I'll go ahead and share it. You're going to need 1 bowl, 1 spoon or a small spatula, 1 box of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of fragrance oil. And let me be clear, 1 tablespoon per box is all you need. Now, whenever I can get this box open, I can go ahead and get started. Anyway, go ahead and pour in your baking soda in the bowl. Add your fragrance, stir it up, and mix it good. Mix it for about 2 minutes. Cover it and let it set for 24 hours. Now, I normally do the most, and I'll use a sifter one good time, and then I'll add it to my containers. Now, my Carpet Fresh comes in bubble bath, clean cotton, and sweet lavender. They come in a 10-ounce bottle for $10 each. I'll be adding these to my product line soon. And you know you're more than welcome to visit metimecandles.com and check out all of our great smelling items that we carry. All right, I'll go ahead and hush now so y'all can see the process and enjoy my good music. Hope you enjoy this video. Please like, share, and subscribe.